Well, the Chenab Bridge is making headlines even as its construction is underway. One of the reasons for its hype is the complexity it involves. The bridge is being built on two mountains, which is sensitive to seismic reactions. An earthquake can bring the entire bridge down. What's worse is that the high winds at the height at which the bridge is being built. So what is the solution to all these problems? Take a look.
Indian engineers are toiling in the Himalayas to build the world's highest railway bridge and hope to complete it by 2016. The arch-shaped steel structure is being constructed over the Chenab River to link sections of the spectacular mountainous regions of India's northern Jammu and Kashmir state. But its complexities have made it one of the most prestigious projects for the Indian Railways. The Chenab Bridge is being built at a height of 1,178 feet above the riverbed. This is going to be the highest arch bridge in the world. Hence, an elaborate and comprehensive procedure is being put in place to build this bridge, as there is no Indian code or manual to design such mega projects. This is the biggest project taken by the Indian Railways since independence. The rail height from the riverbed will be 359 meters, which will make it the highest railway bridge in the world. The main arch will have a span of about 467 meters, which makes it the single longest railway span bridge in the world. One of the biggest challenges involved in constructing the bridge is that it should not obstruct the flow of the river. No wonder experts working on the erection scheme of the bridge call it a project in itself. Two pylons of about 130 meters and 100 meters height will be raised on either side of the river, and an auxiliary crane consisting of self-propelled equipment will run on the carrying ropes across these pylons. There will be 17 spans in this bridge, and it will have a total steel fabrication of 25,000 metric tons. Yes, the construction of this bridge will involve structural steel work of about 25,000 metric tons and reinforcement steel of 4,000 metric tons. The construction will involve about 43,000 cubic meters of concrete and about 6 lakh cubic meters of excavation rocks. wind is one of the biggest dangers for this bridge. The railway bridge is being built in between a deep gorge and high-velocity winds are common in such a location. The design will need to ensure that it withstands seismic activities and high wind speeds. For this, a modern wind tunnel test was performed in Denmark before finalizing the design. Now the bridge can withstand a wind velocity of 220 km per hour at deck level.
It is being constructed in Himalayan geology at a very high level from the river bed. So we had to go for the design of the slopes. Then being in the seismic area, we had to take care of the earthquake forces. The terrain modeling has been done for the wind forces, which will be about 266 km per hour. So we had to take care of the wind forces coming on at the deck level. So these are the main features which we have taken. Then being an arch bridge, the thrust comes on the rock, so we had to go for the stabilization and the testing of the rock masses on the either side.
The railway line is built just 50 kilometers away from Pakistan. The region is said to be prone to terrorist attacks and hence possible blasts have been taken into consideration for the first time by the Indian Railways. Though the Indian Railways have taken the responsibility to construct the railway line, the most important part of the project, the Chenab Bridge, has been handed over to the Konkan Railways. The executing agency is the Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, which has experience of handling tough projects. A marvel structure with several challenges. Building a bridge is never an easy task, and if you are constructing in one of the mountains, it certainly is a Herculean task. The Indian Railways had to first construct approach roads in order to reach out to the foundation of the bridge. The 1,315-meter long bridge will use up to 25,000 tons of steels. Some material is even being transported by helicopters due to the tough terrain.
This workshop is state of the art, this fabrication unit, you can say that. And this is the segment which itself, it is also something, it never happened in India previously. This type of segment is rarely found in India. Obviously in abroad you can see that. And this minimum weight of the structure is 65 tons and the maximum it will go up to 90 tons. Is because the construction of this one is, so you can see the geometry of this, it is itself complicated. We have to join each pieces separately and we have to build it in a way. That's why each segment, its fabrication period is around 22 days.
The 1,315-meter bridge will boast of several unique features. The design will ensure that it withstands blast and seismic activities, while the signaling arrangements will ensure the train does not encounter high wind velocity at that height. An anemometer has been provided at the bridge site, which will measure wind speed. This anemometer will interlock the train movement over the bridge automatically if the wind is above the prescribed speed. Another interesting aspect of this bridge is that even if one of the elements is removed, trains can still run on the bridge. Even if an element is removed, trains can still run at a restricted speed of 30 km per hour on the bridge. Even if one of the columns give away, the deck will not collapse. it will be possible to restore the bridge for normal operation. The Chenab Bridge will become the first bridge in India to withstand extreme winds, bomb blasts and even earthquakes. The Chenab Bridge is arguably one of the toughest engineering challenges in hand, but can become an important landmark for tourists in Jammu and Kashmir. The bridge is expected to be 1,177 feet in height when completed, surpassing the world's current tallest railway bridge over the Beipanjiang River in China. Beipanjiang River Railway Bridge is currently the world's highest railway bridge. The bridge spans a deep canyon on the Beipan River near the city of Luipanshui in Guizhou province in China. The arch bridge, with a maximum height of 275 meters and a span width of 236 meters, was built in 2001. Now the Indian Railways has taken a decision to better this. Jammu and Kashmir seems to be receiving a lot of attention for its railway lines these days. But will they be completed on time? Will the project become one of the wonders in India? Can neighbouring countries withstand such an achievement in its neighbouring region? Well, only time can tell. A News 9 report.